Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be unboxing my Sephora Play for the month of July. First, let me tell you what's on my lips. Guess an itch. Today I'm wearing the MAC lipstick in MAC matte lipstick in Russian red. Very pretty red shade. I love it. One of my favorites. But let's just jump right into this. If you're unfamiliar, Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription. You get 5 beauty samples and then 1 bonus sample, which is usually a perfume sample or a foil packet. I haven't even cut into this. It just came today, so let's just cut this open. I hate their packaging. They make it such a pain to cut open, but Sephora Play is not, I don't want to say it's not one of my favorites because I do really like it. I like getting Sephora Play samples because I don't shop at Sephora, so I like getting the samples. But I just have a problem with how many repeats we get. We get so many repeats, and it's insane. But let's just open this up, and it says show off and share using hashtag Sephora Play, and this is what it looks like. And every month you get 50 Beauty Insider points where you can redeem in-store or online. And let's just open this up. So the theme for this month is Isle of Beauty. Looks like this, and then on the back it's got all the products and a little bit about them. So let's just open this. It comes in a bag like this. Cute bag. I love the little green color, and on the back it says ready, set, play. So let's just pull the first thing, which is probably the biggest thing that was taking up the most room. What is this? This is by Drunk Elephant. Okay, we get a little bit of Drunk Elephant. Not anything crazy, but we get some. This is the Slay Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. Kiwi Strawberry Seed Blend. Virgin Marula Oil. And it says Plus Bamboo Booster. Okay, that's a decent sample. Let's open this up. And this is a decent size. This is what it looks like. And I want to see. Oh, it doesn't have a smell, which I like. It's just like a yellowy balm. This removes your makeup. So what you'll do is, say I have makeup on right now, I'd wet my face, just kind of, like throw some water on my face, and then take this and just rub it in, and then you just rinse it off, and it removes all your makeup. I've used the Clinique one and a Drunk Elephant one, or not a Drunk Elephant one, a Clinique one and a Pharmacy one and a cosmetics one, and I'm very excited to try this. I've been using cleansing balms a lot lately. There's one more thing in here, so let's just pull it out. This is the Bamboo Booster Exfoliant Physique Slough and Refine Bamboo Extract Charcoal Powder. What do we do with it? Okay, let's open this little pamphlet because I don't know what that is used for. Says Drunk Elephant. The only thing this cleansing balm leaves behind is a dewy glow. Oh, I like that. Plus, it comes with an extra exfoliator made with bamboo and charcoal powder. It says, suggested use 1 to 2 times per week. Add our bamboo booster to Slay for a customized skin refining physical exfoliation to aid in the removal of dead skin cells that have accumulated on the surface overnight. Avoid the eye area when using the exfoliating booster. Tip, if using retinol, we recommend avoiding Bamboo Booster as it can be too much for the skin. That is good to know because I do want to use up my Sunday Riley retinol serum, and that would be good to know to not use this with it. But I guess you just mix this into this, and then it helps exfoliate while you're removing your makeup. That's really good. It's kind of a 2-in-1 if you mix it. That is a really good sample, and I'm very happy with that. Let's pull up the next thing, which is by Marc Jacobs. It's Daisy Love, and it's a perfume. I'm not the biggest perfume person, but that's what it would look like if you were to buy the full size. And let's read the notes. Sparkling white raspberry notes reveal lustrous personality, while a soft floral airiness and delicate musky tones immerse you in the sweetness of the moment. Okay. The notes may be on the paper, so let's look at that. So the Marc Jacob is our bonus. It's a feminine, playful, and a little unpredictable, sophisticated scent still knows how to have a good time. Meet the blend. Fragrance family is floral. Top note is white raspberry. Middle note is daisy tree petals, and the bottom note is sugar musk. Okay. Like I said, I'm not a big perfume person, and I do have perfumes I'm trying to use up, so I just don't need this. I'm going to throw it in a giveaway, and I tend to do that with every perfume sample I get. So, okay, we still have quite a few things in here. The next thing we have is by Clinique. It's the Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lips, and lashes. Okay, that's a decent sample. You get 1 fluid ounce, which is a pretty decent sample. This is, I'm assuming, kind of like a micellar water. Literate. It says, Clinique, take the day off. Makeup remover. Feel calm, cool, and collected knowing the liquid remover will take off even the most budge-proof makeup. It says, shake, shake, shake the bottle, then soak a cotton pad with the remover, hold the pad over your eyes, and meditate, aka wait a few seconds. Then wipe away. There's no need to tug or pull. So it's just a makeup remover. I would use this as a micellar water. You have to push it and twist it to get it open. Okay. That's good so it doesn't spill everywhere. Oh, but that I'm going to spill. So you can see it's just a big open slot. Yeah, that is going to get spilled everywhere, but I will use it. I love Clinique and a lot of their products, especially their skincare products. They're very nice and affordable. I mean, not like terribly affordable, but they are decently affordable compared to $60, $70. Let's pull up the next thing, which is by Caudalie. This is the Vinyl Perfect Serum. Oh, wait, is this the one I've had before? I think this might be the one I've had before. No, this is different. It smells weird. So it's just a clear serum. Very, very lightweight. I have the Vinyl Perfect Glowy Serum, I think it is, from Caudalie, and I love it, so I will definitely give this a try. But it says it's for combination to oily skin, and I have dry skin. And even on the little paper it says, chosen for your skincare concerns. How is it chosen for my skincare concerns when I have dry skin? Sephora, something doesn't add up here. But I'm excited to try it. It is a gel consistency, so I will definitely use it. It says, morning and night, apply a dime-sized amount to your clean, dry face. Use as a spot treatment for problem areas overnight. Okay, it has a really, really weird, like, herbal-y scent. I don't care for that, but it's a Vinyl Pure Natural Salicylic Acid Pore Minimizing Serum. Okay. Says there's only so much room in that survival kit, so pack this multitasking serum that diminishes the looks of pores and zaps blemishes. So I would use it as a spot treatment. So say you get like a pimple over here or something, just take like a little bit and just dab it on there before bed, and then when you wake up it helps like get rid of it and dry it out. I will definitely give it a try. I don't like the scent though at all. Okay, only a couple products left. The next product is by Kiehl's. This is the Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. Okay, it's an overnight mask. Not my favorite type of masks, but doesn't have a scent. I don't smell anything. You get 0.5 fluid ounces, which is not bad. That's a couple uses. I love the packaging though, like that plummy shade. It says, instantly feels firmer and looks smoother. Says, fall asleep anywhere, even a desert island with this on. You'll wake up with visibly firmer and smoother skin. Apply a quarter-size amount to cleanse skin before bed. Leave it on while you catch those Z's. In the morning, cleanse skin to remove the mask. So I will definitely give it a try. I'm not the biggest fan of overnight masks. I just don't like the idea of it, like, just in case it doesn't dry and it gets all over my pillow and stuff. Just not for me, but I will try it. I am currently using a Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I had just a little sample of it like that. And when that's gone, I will replace it with that. But I love any sort of skincare, so I will definitely be trying that out. And last but not least is this Bite Beauty Matte Cream Lip Cream and Glaze. I've gotten this. I literally have it right over here. So I've gotten this in a BoxyCharm before, or a Sephora Play before. This is the one, this is the new one, which I will throw in a giveaway. And this is the one I have been using. It's a really, really pretty shade. I'm just kind of bummed that it's the same shade. It's kind of a bummer. Like I said, we get a lot of repeats, and I don't like that. I've gotten repeats of Laneige, repeats of that, repeats of Clinique, just a lot of repeats, and I don't care for it. At least give me a different shade. Like, come on. But other than that, this was a really, really good bag. Now, I am most excited about these items right here. So, the Drunk Elephant, the Kiehl's, and the Clinique. And then I will definitely use the Caudalie. I will use it as a spot treatment, which I don't currently have one, so I will definitely be using that. And you do get quite a bit. This is 0.33 fluid ounces, but it's pretty full. And you only need the smallest amount. A little upset about this because I have already received this before, so... But it'll go on a giveaway for one of you guys, and one of you guys get to try out the formula. I do really like Bite Beauty's formula. It's a very, very comfortable formula. I love it. So, I just wish it was a different shade. Like, come on, please just give me a different shade. And then the perfume sample, again, just not a perfume person. I would prefer to get foil packets rather than perfume samples, but that's just my personal preference. I know some people who love the perfume samples. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think this is worth $10 a month? I do. Like, this 4 or 5 items alone are worth it for me. $10 for this. Like, I would not buy this on my own, this Drunk Elephant product, but getting it in a $10 sample box is fine by me. And this will let me know if it's life-changing and I have to buy more. I love this bag. Even though we do get a lot of repeats and some of the samples are teeny tiny, I love it. I love it. I love getting the high-end products that I wouldn't normally buy. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 3 times a week, and if 3 times a week is not enough for you, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter for a little more behind-the-scenes look at my life. And if you guys want to sign up for this box, I will have a link at the top of the description box. Definitely check it out. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!